So guys, today is another Saturday and we are on our way out now. We are having a get together. My church members, we are having a get together at a park. That's where we are off to now. So I'll catch you guys later. Eh? 6 minutes.
Head northeast, then turn left.
Super tired. I want to quickly look for what I can cook, then call it a day. But I don't think I want to cook anything. Because we ate lots of things at the party. So I got this cereal dispenser that is so lovely. I just bought one to try it out. And I think I like it, so I'll buy another one and put the other one here. I was already emptying the cereal into the bowl before I remember to make a video. So I want to incorporate healthy breakfast in our diet, so that's why I bought this granola. So although I prefer to make my own granola, but as it is right now. I don't know my way around yet and all that. The other day I was looking for oats, quick oats in Walmart, and I was just walking around. I got tired that I had to pick other things and leave immediately. But spending the time, I'll start making mine. We can always use this. So just that. And 3 of this is $7. I just want to tell you guys that I got my first job yesterday. I got my first job yesterday. I'm going to be telling you all about it later. I'm just happy about everything that has been happening. I won't be resuming until 3 weeks later. I think just 2 is okay. Yes? Don't worry, I'll buy it for you.
Tomorrow. Don't take oats.
You want to take oats?
Yes.
Why are you climbing that place? Where you get down?
Isaac. There's two. I didn't want to there's two.
There are plenty butterflies. See, this one is white.
How can we touch
And
it?
the other one. It will fly away.
How can we touch it?
Okay. I don't know, David. All I know is that it's a bird. Huh?
Can we buy a cat?
Cat, okay. You want to have a pet? Ah, no, not in my house.
Where is it going to stay?
No, you can't buy a cat. You can't even buy a dog, not to talk of cat. Cat, okay. You don't want to go again? Because of the... What's wrong with your shirt? They are cold. Oh yeah, let's go back. Let's go back home now. I didn't want to go before. It's you that said we should go. My plan was that we'll sit down there. After 10 minutes, we'll go back home. Should we go back? Yeah, let's go back. What do you say?
Is it not true a dog can fly?
A duck. A duck cannot fly. A duck is like a chicken, a hen. I say a duck is like a hen and chicken. They can't fly like bird. We're only staying for 10 minutes too. We are staying for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll go back home. We are only staying for 10 minutes. I didn't want to come out with my handbag. So here I have my power bank, my microphone, which I'm supposed to use, and the key, the garage key. Let me fix my microphone. Eh? Why did you allow that other girl to stay in your space? Isaac, allow David to stay on that swing, please. Oh, yeah, go and stay on Isaac's swing. Hurry up before another person. Isaac, please push him. I'm trying to put on my microphone. I don't know why it's going off. So I'm just here trying to enjoy my free moments. I know that in about 2 to 3 weeks I won't have the luxury of time to be playing around like this in the evening. So we are out again. We try as much as possible to get at least 10 minutes of fresh air every day. So that is exactly what we are doing right now. Please, if you're seeing my face for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I'm a new immigrant in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and I just moved here with my family. I have been documenting my lifestyle, my everyday lifestyle here on my channel, and I can't wait to show you more interesting and wonderful things about Winnipeg. On this particular day, we were supposed to go and pick up our office chairs and desk, but we didn't go again because we couldn't reach the seller on phone. So we went the next day. Here I was trying to have a quick breakfast before going out, not knowing that we won't be able to go again that day. This is a picture of the warehouse my husband got his office desk and chair from, and that is it over there. I didn't get mine because I was looking for a white desk and a black chair. We also went to different stores to get different things. Here we're looking for winter jackets for the kids, but we eventually didn't buy any from here. After we left there, we had a quick breakfast at KFC. Different stores. We just got back and these are all the things we bought. Winter jackets and snow pants for the kids. Isaac, come down from the car now. Eh? What? Come down from the car. Why are you not coming down? You are eating. Come down. Take this upstairs, then bring the shopping bag. No, so that we'll use it to pack all these things. So we got office chair, socks for the kids. We also went to Costco and bought some household items. Mouthwash, potatoes, clothes for the kids. Granite oil, bread, eggs. My first time of buying eggs since I got here.